Orlando Speed World. Got my pit crew here. My buddy Daniel. And apparently we are after a jet car. So let's see how this thing parties. Yeah, we need to check out this jet car. I might be deaf after this, but it's gonna be worth it. Huh? Oh, you were talking to me? Good. Can't hear anything. That was bananas. What do you think about that?
What?
Yeah. Huh? Dude, that was so loud.
That was crazy.
There's like little boops of fireballs. That was so crazy. All right, we're running about probably 20 pounds. We'll see what the data log says. Speaking of which, start a log. Am I good to go? Two-step for the launch. That was pretty boggy. Wasn't really prepared, but we're gonna go try it again. Hey, 8. Should be 8. Thank you. Oh, terrible. 11:38. That was bad. Definitely gotta check the log. Slipped in 4th gear. She's done. Wow. Boost controller worked. Totally missed 2nd gear. It just wouldn't go in. I think I revved it too high. Lost a lot of time there, but the launch was a lot better. Man. Well, that's what 25 pounds of boost will get you. I guess we gotta see what we actually made. Definitely a lot more. Number 8.
I know.
Not bad, you're gonna have a single, is that right?
By the
I do. I just didn't have them on. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
They should be on.
Next time.
They should be on now. Are they on? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. All right. Well, that didn't go great, but it was a lot faster than the first pass. So the clutch kind of slipped in fourth gear. I'm also doing no lift shift using my two-step, and I think that's kind of screwing me over. Didn't want to go into second gear, and then when I went to shift into fourth with no lift shift, it just slipped. And then I let out of it, and then got back in it, and it hooked. So I think I'm just going to stop trying no lift shift and actually let my foot off the gas pedal. But if you look here, you can see here I'm on the two-step at the line, and I was trying to let boost build, and I was about 4 pounds, and then as soon as I let off, the boost skyrocketed for first gear, which is awesome. So we actually saw 23 pounds of boost in first gear. The most I've ever seen in first gear before was 12. So suddenly the boost controller is working. I don't know what the hell's going on, but you can see I hit it, went to no lift shift, and it just wouldn't go in gear, so I let out of it. The green is my throttle right here, so let out of it, got it into second, hit it again, no lift shift into third, worked fine, and then when I no lift shifted into fourth, it just slipped, and then I let out of it and it came back in again. So I think either I'm gonna have to lower my rev limiter or shift earlier, or just stop using no lift shift. But that felt pretty damn spicy. We made 25 pounds. So that's like 800 horsepower. That's a 9-second car. We just gotta hook it. So we're gonna try it again. All right, well, we had a dude in a Mustang do a big wheelie and run transmission fluid all the way down the track. So we've been waiting 2 hours to make this hit. A little tired now. We're gonna give it the beans anyway. Let's see what happens.
RX7. Wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Bogged on second. I tried to shift early. She took a little while to spool up, but all the other gears shifted pretty nice. Clutch actually held. Not bad. Let's see what we did. Draggy says we did 1086. So another 10-second quarter mile. That damn 60 foot's killing me every time. Well, that was a fun time. We laughed, we cried, we waited in line because some idiot in a Mustang did a monster wheelie and broke his transmission open and slicked the entire track from start to finish instead of pulling over and only slicking one part of the track. But we learned things. We learned that monster clutches rated at 700 foot-pounds of torque can't handle all the stinky beans that Tater's gonna throw down. So me and Burrito are gonna take a moment of silence as we wait for our Tilton twin disc 1250 foot-pound clutch to show up tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you join us next time. We're gonna get a new clutch in and we're gonna try it again. So we'll see you next time on Proven's Garage. Such a